HVAC people!
WW HVAC people! Alright. I don't know if y'all remember this building right here. About a month ago or a couple months ago, I had a bad condenser fan motor, so the guy replaced that. Guy called me back and said, hey man, the same unit won't turn on at all. So anyway, I diagnosed the unit, and so when I turned it on, my condenser was still running, but the coil was iced up. And then I determined that it had a bad blower motor. It had the 120 going forward in 24 volts, but it would not spin, so I am changing it out now. This motor not cheap. It's the OEM motor. So I was like, man. I look at that box, so I hope this is the right motor they gave me. I mean, cause I'll give it's a carrier unit. Just getting the model and the serial number. So hopefully they got me right. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. In a real small box. It's the right one though. So we'll get them taken care of. I'm gonna mark my locale. Motor. These terminals are different on this one though. So them plugs here, okay. I'm just not going to need this wire harness for the new motor, and I hope my leads reach this one since this one got an extension on there.